So today's vlog, episode 12, we're gonna be shooting some content for leg training, a basic leg workout that you can start doing it when you're in the gym. If you have these 4 machines, hack squat, leg extension, leg curl, stiff leg deadlifts. Stay tuned. So I just done my hack squat. Hack squat is really tough. So hack squat is like one of a good way to train your quads in a very stable manner, and because it's on the machine, so stabilization is lesser, but difficulty way harder. It hits your quads 100%. So if you have this machine here in your gym, go and try it out. So this is a leg extension that I've just done. The leg extension is actually very good if you have knee issues. Why? Because it helps you to straighten your knees all the way. So this is one thing that you can consider doing for your leg workout. Peace. So I just done with my stiff leg deadlift. It's actually pretty hard. It's a good way to stretch and strengthen your hamstrings because number one, you can make sure that you are able to go behind and hip hinge, and also help you to stabilize your hamstring at a stretch position and use your hamstring to come back up. So this is one of the leg curl. Most of the gyms have this common machine here. So it trains your legs to contract backwards. And training your hamstring stronger will increase your leg stability. And if you're doing sports like tennis, golf, badminton, things that require a lot of movement sideways forwards, this is a good movement for you to do. So today I've done my leg training. I've finished leg extension, hack squat, leg curl, stiff leg deadlifts. So comment what other content you want to see for the training. Let me know. Training, nutrition, lifestyle. What are the questions you want to see? Drop a comment in the box below. I'm going to have my chicken rice for my post-workout. Peace out. See you next week.